In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Asus computer keeps booting to the BIOS. So if you're stuck in this continuous BIOS loop, I'm going to show you a couple ways to go and solve the issue. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just head over to your BIOS window like this, and you need to come over to the advanced settings. So you can just use your mouse cursor to click on advanced settings, or you can also press the F7 key on your keyboard. Now, once you're on this page, go and click on Save and Exit, and then from this window, we'll have the option to restore to initial settings. So I'm just going to click on Restore Defaults, and then you can go and confirm these changes. You can then try saving the settings and restarting your computer, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, then come back over to the advanced settings, and this time you need to click on the boot tab in the top navigation. Now, you'll see here we have the option for fast boot. If this is currently enabled, then try turning this off and disabling it, and that's also another way you can solve this issue. You'll also have the option for boot option. Click on the drop down arrow and make sure this is set to your hard drive. Once you've applied these changes, go and save the settings and restart your computer and check if that solves the issue. Now, there is one final solution if it's still not working, so come back over to the advanced settings in the BIOS, and this time click on the security tab. You can see at the bottom we have an option for secure boot. Go and click on this, and you can try turning this off and making sure it's disabled. And once you've done this, go and save your changes, restart your computer, and that should have solved the BIOS error. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.